friends, this is Kanchan and welcome to my art studio. So today I am going to paint a simple sky with some clouds and maybe an oak tree. Please do like and subscribe. So let's begin. So let's start. We will apply a thin coat of liquid white on our canvas so that it will make the canvas wet to add another layers of the color. You should note that it should be an even layer of liquid white all over the canvas. So now our canvas is ready. To test it, if we have applied it evenly or not, we will do a finger test. Here and there with our fingers we will see whether or not it's a thin layer of, if you think the liquid white is too much on the canvas, then we can wipe it off with a towel tissue. And I think I have applied a little bit more, a little bit of excess, so I'll wipe that all off. It will leave the canvas still wet for us to work on with a different layer of colors. Now we'll take phthalo blue. To make the sky, and we'll start from bottom. We'll start from top, coming towards the mid of the sky, because I imagine here is my horizon line. So the sky will be darker on top of the canvas. That will create a depth into the sky. You will see what I mean, because as we come down, the liquid white will blend with this blue, and the tone of the sky will be lighter as we come down. Keep crisscross strokes. For me, this is the easier way when I put crisscross strokes and blend the sky. Leaving dark and light pockets. A bit more of blue. we'll create water out of it later. Now we'll clean the brush. And then dry brush our sky. This will hypnotize the sky. Blending it nicely with the background liquid white color. Now for the clouds. Taking a filbert brush and loading it with titanium white. Let's say our cloud floats here. Circular or half circular strokes. Clean the brush because it has taken the blue from the canvas. And somewhere here. Taking my 1-inch brush again and blending the lower end of the sky. Lower end of the clouds, sorry. To this, if we want, we can add more layers coming up front. Clouds are random, so try to be loose with when you're doing clouds. Try to keep your hand loose. Blending again. Now the next step will be we can see some strong lines right now. Now we have to blend it even more with the sky. So we'll be using upward strokes first, very lightly touching the canvas. Setting the clouds into the sky. I guess we can leave the clouds for now. They look good. Next, I'm going to do the tree. Say for example, my horizon line is somewhere here, and I will take burnt sienna. And just roughly a rough sketch of my line here. I have taken burnt sienna with a little bit of Prussian blue to make the trunk of the tree. Spreading it like this, and then clean your knife and take a thin roll. Okay, let's say, in the middle we'll have our tree. This will be a distant tree, so we'll not go into too much of detailing for this. We'll cover it up with leaves anyway and highlight that. But indications of branches and the trunk. Coming back to our 1-inch brush again, taking sap green, bit of burnt sienna and Prussian blue. We'll create the first layer of the tree leaves, and we'll try to keep that dark. say it's an oak tree. So I'm trying to keep that structure in my mind. And then with a little bit of thinner, I'll take yellow and white and we'll put highlights into the tree. For highlights, slightly touching over our dark colors. Take our knife again and then with a little bit of burnt sienna and white, I'll highlight this tree.